We guide you through how to fix iPhone App Store not working. So the first thing you need to do is to check your internet connection, open Safari, and visit any website to make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Next, turn off any VPN because it can block App Store connections. Then, check Apple's system status page to see if the App Store server are down. After that, force close the App Store by swiping up from the bottom of your screen, finding the App Store and swiping it again or swiping it away. Reopen it and test again. If it still doesn't work, restart your iPhone to refresh the system. You should also check your date and time settings by going to Settings, General, Date and Time, and enabling Set automatically. Another fix is signing out and back in into your Apple ID. Or go to Settings, tap your name, select Media and Purchases, then sign out and sign in again.